Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create this AI cat lip sync trend video on TikTok. So this is a trend video where basically it sings "Don't You Want Me Like I Want You Baby" song and basically makes your photo sing that song. So let me show you how you can create this video on your TikTok app using CapCut. So before we begin, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called CapCut. So go ahead and download this from your Google Play Store or your App Store. Once downloaded, go ahead and go back to your TikTok app. Now here, you need to go ahead and search for the following account. Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page for this account. Now stay till the end of this video as that template will appear right here. For now, I'll just use it for my favorites. Go ahead and tap on CapCut, try this template. Now this is the template which you're going to use. So it's basically a picture singing the song. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. Now go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now you want to go ahead and take a picture of who you want that person to sing. Tap Next. Now let CapCut apply the AI effect. So just give it a few minutes. And there you go, guys. It has created the video for you. So you've created an AI lip sync trend video using the song "Don't You Want Me Like I Want You Baby." So now once you're happy with that, tap on Export at the top right, tap Save and Share to TikTok. Go ahead and tap on Next. Go ahead and add your captions. Tap on Edit, edit your cover, and then go ahead and post this video to TikTok. Now you've successfully created your AI lip sync trend video on TikTok. Now, for those of you who are trying to find this template, go ahead and tap on Search. Search for Test the Simple Dad. Here, go ahead and visit the profile page. And here you should see that AI lip sync video. Go ahead and tap on this and then tap on CapCut, try this template. This will take you to the template. And then from here, you can go ahead and follow the instructions on this video. So there you go, guys. That is how to create the AI cat lip sync trend video on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.